Yeah, boy.
No matter how many credits this website charges for generating a video, you can generate for free. But before I reveal the website, let me show you how to set everything up. First, open this email website and create a new email address. If you want, you can add a backup email address or simply leave that field empty. Next, choose a plan or continue with the free account. Once your account is created, there's one important thing to know. Your email won't be ready to receive messages immediately. For example, if I send an email to this address right after creating it, it won't be delivered. You'll need to wait at least 1 hour before the mailbox starts receiving emails properly.
2,000 years later.
Once your email is ready to receive messages, head over to the website that offers free Kling Motion Control. By the way, I first shared this website with my channel members on June 30th, and surprisingly, it's still working. If you want early access to free AI websites like this before they're publicly shared, consider joining the channel membership. After joining, send me your username in the Telegram group and I'll invite you to our private members-only group. After signing in, you land on the home page where a pop-up will offer 300 free credits. Redeem them and your balance will instantly increase to 600 credits. Now, from the left side menu, tap on the Dance Challenge option. This is where you can create your motion control videos. If the website no longer accepts this email service, simply use Gmail or Proton Mail instead. And that's how you can use Kling Motion Control for free without paying for a subscription. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.